Hi children, now we are going to practice 3-letter words with short vowel O sound. What is the short vowel O sound? Yes, it is A. Shall we start now? What is this? Yes, B, A, Ba. This is yes, X, box. Clear? Now we'll join the first letter. What is this? Yes, K, K, A, Ka, B, cob. Clear? Now we'll change the last letter. Ka, T, cot. Clear? Now we'll change the first letter. This is D, D, A, da. This is T, dot. Clear? Change the last letter. This is D, A, da, G, dog. Clear? Now change the first letter. Clear? F, F, A, fog, fog. Is it clear? Now we change the last letter. This is, what is this? Yes, X, fox, fox. Is it clear? Now we'll go with the next letter. What is this? Yes, G, G, A, ga. And here it is T, ga, T, got. Got it? Yes. Now here it is, change the first letter. H, H, A, ha, T, heart. Clear? Now I'll change the last letter. What is this? Yes. P, ha, P, hop. Is it clear? Now I'll change the first letter. What is this? Yes. J, J, jaw. And here comes G, jaw, G, jog. Clear? Next, we'll go with the next letter. This is L, L, A, la, and this is G, log. Now I change the last letter. What is this? Yes, T, la, T, lot. Is it clear? Now I'll change the first letter. This is M, A, ma. And here it is P, mop. Is it clear? And here one more thing is there. B, ma, B, mob. Here it is. I'll change the first letter. N, A, na. And here it is D, nod. Na, D, nod. I'll change the last letter. This is T, na, T, not. Is it clear? Now I'll change the first letter. This is P, P, A, pa. And here T, pot. Next, I'll change the last letter. Here it is D, pa, T, pod. Now I'll change the first letter. This is R, R, A, ra. This is D, rod. Now I'll change the last letter. This is B. Rob. Rob. Clear? Now I'll change the first letter. This is S. S. Saw. This is B. Sob. Is it clear? Now I'll change the first letter. This is T. Ta. And this is P. Top. Clear? Now we'll go with the last one, which is Ox. Ox. We are finished with 3-letter words of short vowel O. Clear, children? Bye-bye.